Hello friends, my name is Kisan and welcome in this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about one of the important IO enhancement in Java 8. So if you look into the class BufferedReader, there is a method is called lines, and this method is added in Java 8. So you can see in Java doc saying that since 1.8, so this method has been added in Java 8. The lines method has been added on the BufferedReader class in Java 8. This new method opens a stream of a string on the reader, and this stream is formed with each lines of the file. So basically, lines method opens an stream on the file, and every element of that stream is a single line of the file. So let's try to understand this method through an example. So here I have created a project with name BufferedReader demo, and this project has a class is called client test, and we have a main method. So here let's try to understand so how we can use BufferedReader. So first of all we'll have to create BufferedReader object. So let's see how we can create BufferedReader object. So if you look into the constructor of BufferedReader, then you have a different constructor. You have a different constructor. One of the constructor which accepts reader as an argument, right? So I'm going to use this first constructor which accepts an argument. So this takes reader. So as we know that reader is an abstract class, so here we have to use subclass of reader, that is nothing but the file. I'm going to file reader. So I'm going to use file reader over here, and file reader has a constructor which accepts file object, as well as directly you can specify the file name if that file is present in your some location. So what I'm trying to do, so let's copy a file from previous example. So just a minute. So let's copy this file. So let me check out is there any content or not. 1 minute, I want some more content, file with some more content. So I'm going to copy this file in this project. So we'll try to read data from this project, this file. Now so here this file we have kept in our class, so directly you can specify the file name, that is a data.txt, and this is throwing some exception. So let's try to wrap inside the try catch. Now you have an object of BufferedReader. Now you can call lines method on it. So let's say lines, which returns of the return us a stream, right? A stream of a string. Now you can apply for each loop on it. So even if you have a stream, then you can apply any kind of filter, right? So you can filter data from the files based on the some criteria. But here just I'm going to print all lines, all data available in the file into console. So let's apply a for each loop. So you have a system out and method reference. So here consumer we can express as a method inference as well. So here saying that if you put a cursor, then saying that resource leak. So here we can use try with resources, which is one of the beautiful feature added in JDK 1.7. okay. Now this is saying this guy is throwing some exception, so let's put throws, and if I try to run it, then see what output we are getting. So we get the output from this file, right? So you can see this method returns the stream of a string. So of course this reading data from any files using this method would be very faster. So if suppose your file contains huge amount of data, then of course you can use lines method to read data from the file, so which will give you the stream of file, and you can do a lot of manipulations right on it. And of course, if this API returns a stream, then you can have a various operation you can apply. You can apply any kind of filter, any kind of criteria you can put on, and you can extract data based on the criteria from the file. So this was one of the, I mean, quick video on it. So this code I'm going to put on the GitHub, and GitHub location I will specify in the video description itself. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in next video with some new stuff in Java 8.